Hello guys, welcome back. I'm so excited for this video, you don't understand. Internally, I am combusting. If you guys have been a lifelong subscriber and can remember way back when to my previous collaboration with Truffle Shuffle, no they didn't, no. You guys will know how shocked and grateful and happy and excited and blessed I was to be working with them, because they are one of my all-time favourite stores for anything nerdy. All the different kinds of merchandise under the sun that you can think of, they've got it. I honestly can spend literally hours scrolling through their online website. It's just never ending and I never get bored of it. If you're a fan of things such as Harry Potter, Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, Disney, Stranger Things, Barbie, My Little Pony, all kinds of different things, including retro and vintage games, TV shows, films, whatever it is that you love, my bets will be that Truffle Shuffle will have something for you that you'll fall in love with. I am very grateful to be able to be working with Truffle Shuffle again. They sent me a few items for me to open in front of you guys to take a look. I think these may all be t-shirts. And I don't know if you guys have been keeping up to date with me on my Instagram recently, but if you have, then you know that I currently have an absolute obsession with graphic t-shirts. And not just any kind of graphic t-shirts, specifically Star Wars graphic t-shirts. Obviously Truffle Shuffle is like the place to go for such things, so I've got my fingers crossed and I'm hoping that I might have a Star Wars graphic t-shirt in here somewhere, but we shall open it and take a look. Also, all the links that you need for Truffle Shuffle and the products in this parcel will be down below in my description bar, so check it out, take a look, and I'll also link my previous collaboration with Truffle Shuffle up in the corner here for you guys to take a look after you've watched this video. Okay, I need to open this because I'm so excited. I've tried so hard to stay like calm. Honestly, I'm just gonna rip in and see what happens. Oh, that didn't do anything. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I'm just gonna go for the first thing on top, like we always used to. I'm just gonna grab and see what comes out, see what happens. Let's see what this is. First up, we have this Star Wars Mandalorian graphic t-shirt. Oh my god, I'm literally in love. So this is 100% heavy cotton, and I don't know what that means, but we love things that are 100% cotton here because that is sustainable, it's biodegradable. So here we have this absolute gorgeous, like seriously, look at how beautiful those colours are. And I don't know if anybody's noticed, but I'm actually wearing a Mandalorian, oh, well, the child, a Mandalorian graphic t-shirt right now. So yes, I'm happy. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. This is in the size medium, which is perfect because I love my graphic t-shirts, etc. oversized, and it also means that I can tie them into a knot and do different kinds of things with them as well. And obviously, it's without saying that all of the items that you buy from Truffle Shuffle are official merchandise. Someone please tell me why I decided to do space buns for a try-on haul. I'm an idiot. Anyway, here we have our first t-shirt, our first, ooh, it's the Mandalorian. Very cute, I love it. I'm filming in my kitchen, by the way, just because this gives me the most space at the moment, so just bear with. First of all, the colours, the colour combo on this t-shirt is stunning. Like, look, even from far away, look at how great that looks. Like, honestly and truly, it's stunning. It's stunning. I also love how within the Mandalorian's helmet you've got different prints of the Mandalorian himself, him riding his ship for example, and some other different pieces down here too. I'm not going to give too much away of how I would style this just because I'm planning on doing a lookbook with all of these items very soon for you guys, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I mean, it's so cute. I literally love it so much. Even if I tie it like I do with some of my graphic tees, you can still see the print, which is great. And yeah, off to an incredibly good start. Time to grab our next item. Let's take a look. Again, just the next one on the top. Ooh. We have another Mandalorian graphic t-shirt. Hello! If you guys have been subscribed to me since my username was Bunny Frills, then you know that I am a huge advocate for Japanese culture, Japanese pop culture, all that stuff. So a Japanese themed Star Wars graphic t-shirt is literally the most perfect combination ever in my entire life. It's this really gorgeous charcoal grey colour, as you can see. So this is a size small, as you can see. It is a little bit large, but that's absolutely fine. Like I said, I love my things baggy. It gives me more versatility to work with. And I'm not sure if this is cotton as well, but it is very, very soft. Yes, I just checked the label. This is also 100% cotton, and it feels unbelievably soft. Like, this is so soft. Like, I like to touch this. Okay, so this one is slightly more fitted, as you can tell, as this is a size small and the other one is a size medium. I love how soft this t-shirt is. Why is it so soft? And the charcoal grey, love that. So good. It can go with so many different colours. The print, again, beautiful, stunning. I love the Japanese written on it. Very nice, very cool. If I was to tie the t-shirt up like I do sometimes, you can still see most of the graphic, which is great. Again, absolutely love it. Seriously, such good quality. 10 out of 10 Truffle Shuffle. Honestly, thank you. I think we have one last item now, so I'm just gonna go ahead, take out, see if we've got, I don't know if this is Star Wars, I don't know if this is something else, who knows? Let's take it. Oh! Wait a minute. Alright, okay, I know I said that I currently have an obsession with Star Wars graphic t-shirts, but I think this might be my all-time favourite t-shirt ever in my entire life. Let me take it out of the bag and show you. I haven't even managed to open the bag yet, and then already I'm crying internally. Are you ready for the most beautiful piece of clothing you'll ever see in your life? It's Michael Scott. Okay, if you've never watched The Office, and I mean the US version of The Office, then I'm afraid we can't be friends. I seriously love the US Office so much. I love Michael Scott, he's an absolute legend, and my boyfriend and I actually recently have been rewatching the entire series all over again because we love it so much. Again, this is 100% cotton and in a size medium. And actually, one of my favorite things about this is that oh my god, I just love it. My favorite thing about this t-shirt is that I feel like just to look at, not a lot of people will know what this is unless you are a super fan of the US Office like myself, and then you will realize who this is, what scene this is, what's happening right here. I also love like this texture of it as well. It's kind of like a washed, bleached kind of feel to it. It's really cute. I really love it. Here we go, guys. The piece de resistance. I give you Michael Scott. Yeah, this is definitely the best t-shirt I've ever owned in my entire life. Size medium, very similar shape, style, cut to the first t-shirt, which is a size medium, which is good. That means the sizes are very consistent. Thank you very much, Truffle Shuffle. And yeah, I mean, the graphic on this is really, really high up, which is great for me, but since I'm quite short, and then when I tie it, you can still see all of Michael Scott in his pure glory. Chef's kiss. This one is so fun, and because of the blue in it, I feel like I can play around with the colour quite a lot when I put an outfit together for this. Lots of ideas going on in my brain right now. Really can't wait to put something great together with this. And at the end of the day, nothing speaks confidence more than a shirt with Michael Scott on it. I mean, our great philosopher Michael Scott and teacher. I feel like an intellect wearing this shirt. Again, standard Truffle Shuffle, beautiful quality, very comfortable, 100% worth it, love it, thank you so much. Also, I've just shown my boyfriend each of these t-shirts as I was unpackaging them, and he's actually told me he's gonna try them on himself, and if they fit him, he's gonna take them. Not happening. But yeah, I think this has just persuaded my boyfriend to go on Truffle Shuffle and purchase something himself because he loves all three of these t-shirts, loves the quality, etc. So Don't just take my word for it, guys. Take my boyfriend's word for it too. Well, there you have it, guys. They are the 3 t-shirts that Truffle Shuffle sent me. Thank you so much, Truffle Shuffle. Honestly, it's an honor. I love working with you. And really, guys, I've not been paid to say this at all, but I cannot recommend Truffle Shuffle enough. It's perfect if you want to treat yourself. It's perfect if you want to buy something as a gift for someone, for their birthday, for Christmas, for anything. Even if you just want to take a look on their website, it's so worth it because I guarantee you will find something that you'll fall in love with. Make sure to keep an eye out as I will be putting together a lookbook with these 3 t-shirts very soon for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to leave a thumbs up so I know that you liked it and I can make more content like this for you. If you haven't already, then please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.